Hello students. Yesterday you have learned the basics of integers chapter. Now today we are going to deal with the continuation of the integers chapter. I think you have completed your FN whatever I have taught you with the definitions and with the exercise 1, and I ask you to make the fair notes of all those definitions, even each and every problem clearly and legibly as a fair notes itself. It makes you to thorough checkup while you are preparing for your examinations, and will be for you make it easy whenever you refer the notes. Now today we are going to deal with the second exercise of the integers chapter. We shall see what is going to be there in the second exercise, what are the operations present here and how to solve them. So students, all of you open your textbooks, take the exercise 2 and start be ready for the chapter problems here. Now exercise 2. So represent the following additions on the number line. So in 6th and 5th standard itself we have gone through the how to solve the problems on the number line. So just once we recall how to solve the problems on the number line, and next what we have to do for this integers. We have solved the problems previously for the whole numbers and the natural numbers. Now we are going to see for the integers here. So I am going to solve the problem of the first bit, fourth one. The problem is here given it as 5 plus of minus 7. So, we are given the integers here. 5 is an integer and also minus 7 is an integer. Here both are the integer values itself. Here we have the positive value and also the negative value. So, how I am representing on the number line? Just one observe here. So, commonly I am taking the 0 in the center, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the right hand side the positive values, and the left hand side we are going to take the negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So now 5 plus of minus 7. So first it is given 5. So I am taking 5. And we can see here once we have plus into minus, we have to consider this plus into minus, it becomes minus. We know the binary operations such as plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. So now we are going to solve the problem 5 minus 7. Start with 5. So as it is given the minus 7, we have to go on the left hand side. So the minus represents the decreasing of the values. Whenever the values are getting decreased, you have to move for the left hand side. So from starting with the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to stop here. Now the ending point has reached here. Now observe here. What is the value? 5 minus 7 is equal to, as it is stopped here, we know the value is minus 2. So therefore 5 minus 7, or nothing but 5 plus of minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So students, I think you understood very well how to represent the addition or the subtraction on the number line. Now we are going to move for the next bit. Now you have asked in the simple additions and subtraction computations here we are given. So compute the following. So you know the value 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. And next 8 plus of minus 3. Now I am going to solve each and every problem of the second bit here on the board. Second one, 8 plus of minus 3. So nothing but previously I said that 8 plus into minus minus. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Now the third one, 11 plus 3 is 14, the simple one. And the fourth one, similar way, 14 plus of minus 6. Plus into minus is minus, 14 minus 6. So all that 14 minus 6, it becomes 8. Now similarly, fifth one, 9 plus of minus 7. So it becomes 9 minus 7. It becomes 2. Now you are going to see the seventh problem. 13 plus of minus 15. 13 plus of minus 15. Now see here, look at here. 13 plus into minus becomes minus. 13 minus 15. So we know that 13 minus 15 is?
Pass this now.
Now 13 minus of 15. So we know that commonly 15 minus 13 is 2. And here we know that commonly the bigger number is among the two numbers is 13 is smaller and the 15 is bigger. Before the 15 we have the symbol minus. That's why it becomes minus 2. Now the value is minus 2. Now we shall go for the remaining problems. I think you have understood here. Once again I repeat this problem. Listen here. 13 plus into minus is minus. 13 minus 15. And look at here, among the numbers 13 and 15, 15 is a bigger one. And before the bigger number, we have the minus symbol. That's why it becomes a minus 2. Now, the next problem we shall see. So, 11th problem. 11th problem we have here, 225 plus of minus 145. So, look at here, 225 plus into minus becomes minus and it is a 145. So, see this, find the value of 225 minus 145. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 4, nothing but 12 minus 4 is 8. It becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and becomes a 80 answer. Among the 225 and 145, 225 is a bigger one and 145 is a smaller one. And 225 as it is a bigger and is a positive value, the 80 is the answer is the positive value itself. So students, by this the second exercise finished and you have to make the fair notes of the second exercise and make it clear. And if you have any doubts, you can clarify me from your WhatsApp groups. Now we are moving to for the next exercise. Exercise 3. Now again we are going to solve the problems by representing on the number lines in the exercise 3. And see here, I am going to solve the problem in this, the fifth one and the sixth one. The fifth one we are given here that 5 minus of minus 8. How to solve this problem we shall see now here. So in this bit, just read out the question here bit. Represent the following subtractions on the number line. Now I am drawing the number line here. So students, one more rule is that you have to draw the number lines with the scale and you have to indicate the digits on the number line with the pen and to solve the problem with the pencil. That makes the notes very clear and neat. I think you understood how to do. Draw the number lines with the scale and draw the digits, write out the digits with the pen. Then how to solve the problem with the pencil. It makes everything clear. Whenever your notes becomes older also, it will be legible. So it becomes 0, 1. So then just for the information sake, I am starting with 0 here and it is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. First this, in order to solve this, 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 8. So now start with the number 5 and it is given plus. Plus means in which side you have to move? Yes, you have to move on the right hand side. So from after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it has stopped the destination. Now the destination has reached up to the 13. Now the starting point is 5 and the last point is 13. Now the destination stopped to 13. So 5 minus of minus 8 is equal to 13. Therefore 5 plus 8 is equal to 5 minus of minus 8 is equal to 13. Students, I think you have made a clear understanding of this problem. Now we shall move for the next problem here. Minus 2 minus of minus 1. So this is the last problem of this page. This is the sixth problem of this page. Now again draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So here first we have to solve here. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 1. So now the starting point or the beginning point is a minus 2. Minus 2. Now we have to move, as it is a plus, you have to move right hand side. How many digits you have to move right hand side? As it is there 1, you have to move only 1 digit. Yeah. Now the destination is very small. So the answer is minus 1, minus 2, minus of minus 1. Therefore, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 2, minus of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is the solution. So, by this, the second exercise, first bit is finished. Now we are going to forward for the second bit of the second exercise. Solve the following we are given here. Among this, see here the third one, second bit, third one. 19 minus of minus 5. Solution. 19 minus into minus becomes plus. Plus 5. 19 plus 5 is 24. Just the simple logic you have to learn the rules is that plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. That's enough. You can solve whatever the problems given here. Now, fifth problem. 25 minus 33. It is simple, it is given that. So, 25 minus 33. We know that 33 minus 25 is 8. But we observe here, among the 25 and 33, 33 is normally a bigger digit. The symbol before this 33 is minus. That's why it becomes a minus 8. Now, 8th one. 32 minus of minus 18. Now see the solution here. 32 minus into minus is plus 18. 32 plus 18 is 50. Now the solution is finished up to now here. Now only one bit left of more here. Third bit. Third bit. Express minus 6 as a sum of the negative integer and a whole number. Express minus 6 as a sum of a integer and a whole number. Just I am writing here minus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 0. You can get the minus 6. Next I am writing minus 7 plus 1. Next becomes minus 8 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 3. In such a way it goes on. We are going to get the values of minus 6. So you can write 10 more values like this. Now to express minus 6 as 0 is a whole number and minus 6 is a integer. Here 1 is a whole number, minus 1 is an integer. Here I express like this. You can write some more also in order to get the practice. Thank you, students. By this, we have finished the class today for the 2 exercises. Now, you have to make the notes of this clearly and legibly of this whatever I am teaching here, and recall whenever you get the time and try to complete your what I am giving you here worksheets upon this, and you have to submit me. And if you are having any doubts, you can call for the make a WhatsApp. You can clarify through WhatsApp group or you can call me. Okay, thank you, Nana. Bye.